Sushi Chef Salary. The sushi chef's hourly wage can vary depending on experience, location, and employer. Generally, sushi chefs make around $13 to $18 per hour. However, many sushi chefs make more than that, with some earning incomes more than $25 per hour. The average salary of a sushi chef ranges from $35,000 to $49,000 per year. The salary of a sushi chef can also depend on the size and type of restaurant they work in. Chefs working in high-end sushi restaurants can make more than those working in smaller, family-owned restaurants. How do you become a sushi chef? The requirements to become a sushi chef vary depending on the employer. However, most sushi chefs have at least some formal training in culinary arts, and many have a degree in culinary arts or a related field. Some employers may also require their sushi chefs to have a certification from the American Culinary Federation. In addition to formal training, many sushi chefs apprentice under an experienced sushi chef before becoming a head chef. This allows them to learn the necessary skills and techniques to create sushi that is both delicious and accurate to traditional Japanese sushi. Sushi chef job description. A sushi chef is someone who prepares sushi, a delicacy made of cooked rice combined with vinegar and raw seafood or vegetables. It is a popular food in Japan and has become popular in many parts of the world. The sushi chef is responsible for the creation of sushi dishes, which often require a high level of skill and knowledge. The chef must be able to select the right ingredients, prepare the sushi rice, and select and prepare the accompanying seafood or vegetables. Sushi chefs may also be responsible for the decor and atmosphere of their restaurant. The sushi chef job can be a physically demanding one, as the chef often has to work quickly and efficiently to prepare sushi dishes for customers. The chef must also be able to maintain a high level of quality and hygiene in the kitchen. The skills required for a sushi chef job include culinary skills, creativity, teamwork, and attention to detail. The sushi chef must also be able to work under pressure and manage their time efficiently. A sushi chef job can be an interesting and rewarding one, as the chef has the opportunity to create new dishes and experiment with different ingredients. The sushi chef is also responsible for the quality and presentation of the sushi dishes, which can make a restaurant stand out among its competitors.